the first trial had such a huge effect on my depression that I really wanted to do all I could to try and help as many people as possible access these treatments legally and safely.
During a psilocybin journey, you're encouraged to talk less. I think you're encouraged to go in and not use talking and trying to sense make and meaning make of the process too quickly and too soon. Rather go in and experience the journey. Whereas with MDMA, a lot of it is about talking and being present and interacting with the facilitators who are holding the space for you.
There are strict criteria that, you know, many more people are going to be screened out than are accepted. It seems really basic, but to sow that seed at the very, very beginning can help to protect people from that huge disappointment they may feel if they don't get onto the trial. Even those that do get onto the trials as well, it's really important if they're double blind to know that they've got a 50-50 chance of getting a placebo. I think things have moved on a lot since 2015, since I took part in the first trial, but there's still a lot of work to do. You know, there are still a lot of misunderstandings or a lot of fear.
My DMT experience was different in many respects to the psilocybin experience, not only in the duration, but in terms of the intensity and kind of support I think I required.
How can we ensure that people can safely receive these treatments in the best way possible? Because with psychedelics, the nuance is so important, so vital. The smaller details are really, really important. And that is something that's I've become keenly aware of from my own personal experiences and also from listening to other people's experiences as well.
You know, these treatments need to be tailored and need to take the nuances and the details into account. So yeah, creating that feedback loop, taking what participants say, giving it to industry, and also having industry respond to what participants require in this process. The MAPS protocol is the start of a process. I don't think anybody with a diagnosis who's dealing with really deep work is done in 9 to 12 sessions. It is a longer term process lasting over a longer period of time. MAPS work is the start of a process, and whether you then recapacitate enough psychotherapists in the community to then hold the space, you know, it doesn't necessarily need to be a psychedelic assisted psychotherapist, but somebody who can then hold the space going forwards. Ideally it would be, and somebody with some sensitivity to this work and to the implications of it, but definitely a longer term process of integration.